Today we have a new hands-on leak of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, according to a claim that for the first time ever, we may see a variety of RAM configurations for the iPhone 15 Pro models based on storage. According to the article, it will have an option of 6 or 8 GB of RAM depending on the storage type, but I believe this is false. Unknowns21, a reliable leaker, tweeted that Apple was testing 6 and 8 GB RAM variants, which is probably where the confusion has come from. I just can't see Apple giving a choice of memory in the phones if this has never happened before, and Apple tends to focus on optimization, so giving it different RAM options for different models just complicates things. For those who are looking forward to the iPhone 15 series, we'll go through the complete features, design, and price of each model to help you pick which one is best for you. We've got the regular iPhone 15 with a 6.1-inch 60Hz OLED display, a resolution of 2532 by 1170, and ceramic shield protection. We get the new Dynamic Island, which covers up the 12-megapixel selfie camera and the Face ID sensors, and then on the back we have a 12-megapixel primary camera with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide. It's powered by the A16 Bionic chipset and comes with 6 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage, a 3300 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging, 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 6E. Of course, it'll be compatible with iOS 17, and it'll cost roughly $850 when it launches on September 12th. Next up is the iPhone 15 Plus, which has a 6.7-inch 60Hz OLED display with a resolution of 2778 by 1284 and is shielded by ceramic shield. The new Dynamic Island covers off the 12-megapixel selfie camera and facial ID sensors on the back. We have a main camera with 12 megapixels and a secondary camera with 12 megapixels. The A16 Bionic chipset powers it, and it comes with 6 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB storage. It has a 4300 mAh battery with 30-watt rapid charging, 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 6E. It will, of course, arrive with iOS 17, and it is anticipated to launch on September 12th for roughly $950. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.